Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Grace, back again with another Soulful Summit. I hope you're all doing well and ready to dive deep into today's topic. We're going to be talking about something that affects us all, something that can make or break our day, our mood, and even our health. Yes, you guessed it, we're talking about sleep. Sleep, it's something so simple, yet so complex. It's a time when our bodies rest, rejuvenate, and repair. It's a time when our minds wander into the realm of dreams, where anything is possible. But how many of us can honestly say we're getting the quality sleep we need? We live in a world that's always on, always moving. We're constantly bombarded with information, tasks, and distractions. It's no wonder that so many of us struggle with sleep. But what if I told you that there are strategies you can implement to improve your sleep quality? Firstly, let's talk about routine. Our bodies thrive on routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can significantly improve your sleep quality. It might be tough at first, especially if you're a night owl, but trust me, your body will thank you. Next, let's talk about your sleep environment. Is your room dark, quiet, and cool? These are all factors that can affect your sleep. Consider investing in blackout curtains, a white noise machine, or a fan. And don't forget about your mattress and pillows. They should be comfortable and supportive. And then there's the big one, technology. I know, it's hard to put down our phones and tablets, but the blue light they emit can interfere with our sleep. Try to turn off all screens at least an hour before bed. Instead, read a book, meditate, or do some gentle yoga. Remember, improving your sleep quality isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about making small, sustainable changes that will have a big impact over time. Before we wrap up, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Soulful Summit for more insightful content. Your support means the world to me. So, beautiful souls, I challenge you to implement one of these strategies tonight. See how it affects your sleep and how you feel in the morning. Remember, sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's time we start treating it as such. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep growing, and keep shining your light. This is Grace, signing off from Soulful Summit. Sweet dreams, everyone.